these? Shit, let me take this off. Oh, fuck my titties. Damn it. Oh, my God. How do I start this? I don't know. Thank you. Wow. 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 I'm waiting for everybody to get in here. You guys, I don't understand. I mean, I do understand, but I don't understand. What the fuck? Hold on. Oh my God. I just realized I have to show my boobs real hard. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I did play you. I'm not showing my boobs real hard, man. You got fucking played. You got fucking played. Look at yourself. Wow. You guys, what the fuck? Thank you so much. My phone's low. But I have one of those powerful chargers. I can just charge it all the way back up. Thank you. This is the first time I'm gonna be nice to Twitter. Hold on one sec. This would be the first time. Oh my God, is my titty out? Oh, come on, dude. I don't know. I guess I did kind of show my tit by accident. Softly. Not really hard, like how I promised. But that's every day that I'm falling out. This is the first day, or the first time that I'm ever gonna be nice to Twitter. But this is one of the many days that I'm gonna be very thankful